fictional tale of shit real. We was sitting in the bookings, charged direct sale. Third shootout, we was fighting for position. Shell cases out my 9, flying through your mama kitchen. Paper we stack it, pistol we pack it. You fuck around, we blow the heart out the back of your jacket. Bitch, get down or lay down. My work was at Josh Script, he got back, now he lieutenant. So he sit there and watch. I swear to God, I think I had the same vision that Ken had. Woke up, said we gon' turn them corners to Baghdad, yeah. We was young, but we had guns, we started jokesing niggas. All you heard was boo-boo fucking with them Brooklyn niggas. I had supreme schemes, called the wall thoughts. Start shooting, I bet I clear off the ball court. I want it all, that's just how I fucking feel, boy. Get in the way, you gon' take your trip to Gilmore's. Consist of big bags of bread and some coke, nigga. You can get with the program, fam, or get smoked, nigga. We was a school of sharks, a bunch of young soldiers. Open your head when you're half dead, I say I told you. On the island, got that burner, got the flame going. A couple niggas got blown, I got my name known. Over the phone, soon as I'm home, the game's on. I got connections, look bitch, I'm connected. And I ain't giving niggas no passes, so respect.